msg.Variant. msg.Variant modeling enables easy management of variant configuration dependencies in high-level, BOM and routing, without requiring knowledge of syntax rules. For high-level configuration, various functions are available for creating dependencies. You can maintain rules to steer the visibility of characteristics, to check value combinations based on variant tables, to implement variant pricing, to default or delete characteristic values and to set characteristics as mandatory. In the SAP UI5 environment, you can comfortably navigate to the configurable material you intend to change. Within the configuration profile, you are provided with a well-designed overview of the configuration profile and the assigned dependencies. To add additional rules, you can choose from predefined functions. The application guides you safely through the creation of each rule. For example, in this case you first create the condition for the rule and afterwards select the variant condition to be assigned. You can also add the pricing factor afterwards. To assign a value you can either use a fixed value, a characteristic value or even a formula. The dependency code is generated in the background and can be displayed before you release the dependency. When creating check tables you can interactively create the variant table directly connected to the interface. You only need to assign a name and description, then add the columns. The content can be maintained in one go. For the configurable BOM, msg.Variant modeling enables you to create selection conditions, characteristic value changes, quantity calculation, BOM item text assignment and inheritance of all characteristics. From the BOM overview the BOM item is selected. In this case, a rule is created to calculate the component quantity based on a formula. As in high level, the dependency code is created in the background and can be saved to the back-end system. The functionalities for routings are very similar to the BOM functionalities. You can create selection conditions for operations and sequences, assign rules to for work center selection, change the operation short texts and calculate the standard values. Additionally, msg.Variant modeling provides you with an outstanding network diagram of the routing sequences and operations. In this case a selection condition is assigned to an operation similarly to the BOM. Facilitated by the intuitive maintenance of the business rules, msg.Variant modeling will achieve you a better time to market for your products, increase your delivery, reliability and quality, while at the same time reducing your variant configuration maintenance costs. Thank you for staying with us.